We know what it takes to help you create spaces that capture your client's imagination, function beautifully, and bring your vision to life while supporting the way you like to work. From design and installation to professional organizing services, we're there for you every step of the way to make your project easier and your clients' spaces better. Visit us at containerstore.com to learn more about our Trade and Business Solutions program.